In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type the letter N or Ñ on a laptop or PC. Typing special characters like the letter N or Ñ on your laptop or PC can seem tricky if you're not familiar with the keyboard shortcuts. This letter is used frequently in Spanish and other languages, and knowing how to type it quickly can save you time and make your writing more accurate. To begin, you'll need to make sure your keyboard has a numeric keypad. On most desktop keyboards, this is located on the right side, but on laptops, you may need to use a function key or an external keypad to access these numbers. The numeric keypad is essential for using the Alt code method to type special characters. Once you have access to the numeric keypad, start by typing an uppercase N. To do this, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, type 0209 using the numeric keypad. After you release the Alt key, the uppercase N will appear wherever your cursor is positioned. This method allows you to type the letter quickly without changing your keyboard layout or language settings. For the lowercase Ñ, the process is very similar. Hold down the Alt key and then type 0241 on the numeric keypad. Release the Alt key and the lowercase Ñ will appear in your text. This method works in almost all applications, including word processors, spreadsheets, and online text fields, making it a versatile and reliable way to type this character. Using these Alt codes is one of the fastest ways to type N and Ñ without having to switch keyboard languages or memorize complex sequences. Once you practice it a few times, it becomes second nature and allows you to write in Spanish or other languages with ease. Remember, the key is to use the numeric keypad and ensure numlock is enabled if you're using a laptop. With just these simple steps, you'll be able to type N or Ñ anytime you need it, whether for formal documents, emails, or casual writing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.